Welcome to intlx360. This is a brief overview of the Asset Connectivity Dashboard. This dashboard gives a real-time snapshot of the operational status of all monitored telecom and IT assets. It helps customers quickly determine if the systems are online, experiencing downtime, or encountering timeouts. This type of visibility is essential for maintaining service availability and troubleshooting outages before they escalate. By centralizing reachability metrics, customers can monitor asset health at scale and ensure that key components like gateways, controllers, and core managers remain consistently accessible. Total assets. This KPI tile displays the total number of unique assets being monitored. Reachable. This panel shows how many of the monitor assets are currently reachable. Non-reachable. This tile displays how many assets are actively unreachable, helping users identify outages. Timeout. This section indicates how many assets have experienced timeout. Asset Connectivity Panel. This detailed panel provides pre-asset connectivity insight, including name, asset name, host name, product type, and current connectivity status.